Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.
Jotelo magazi mima wuoke masawa mar Kenya kotel negi kod Karua, Peter Munya kod gavana machon Laikipia Ndiritu Muridhi ochayo piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza kuom rem kelo ne jopiny fuongruok kaluwore kod pek mar ngima. Jotelo go oseyo wach mar limbe mar jatend piny timo saa ka saa e kor gwenge e kinde ma gikwedo medruok e nengo mag mwandu kod pek mar sani kod oket godo jonyuol machulo omenda mathoth e mbalariany.
The escalating cost of living is a major economic onslaught on the Mount Kenya region. The hard-working people in this region are becoming poorer by the day. The UDA regime has responded by going to Mount Kenya on a publicity stunt, launching projects that have been built by the county governments. For example, the Narumoro Level 4 hospital that was built by the county government of Nyeri. Also, launching projects, some of which were completed more than 2 years ago by the government of President Uhuru, including the Keno Marwa Road, which, as you all know, was practically complete by the time of the general election.
This is Kenya, we are on our own. These guys are talking of 2/3 gender rule, leader of opposition. Hiyo ingine nini wanasema? Hiyo mambo yote wanasema para CDF. Those are things that require constitutional amendment. Na mimi yangu ni kuwaomba wa Kenya wasidanganywe.
Kenyans are on their own. Their representatives are behaving as though they were elected by Ruto and members of his regime. They are representing the Ruto regime, not the people of Kenya.
Kwa kanyo ni ogai marobila